Nima, shall we read the book, Amma?
Yes, Mommy.
Read it out.
I save the egg.
Good job.
Save the egg. Hello, we are the Wonder Pets.
Good job.
A egg is on a cliff. But we have to save it.
Good job.
We are on our way. Look, the egg. Look, egg is falling. The egg is rolling into
Okay.
let's say a hole. Is a hole.
Okay. Sorry, can you read out the whole sentence again? The egg
egg is rolling.
rolling, then
The egg rolling to the hole.
into a hole. Okay.
Grab it, egg.
Grab.
Grab the egg.
Good job.
Look up there. The egg is up there. The egg is up there.
Up அப்புறம் என்னடா இருக்கு? Up.
The egg is
Up. In.
In the air.
In the air. Okay.
In the air. C-A-T. Cat. Catch it.
Catch. Then what is there written? Catch.
Catch the egg.
Good job.
But if we save, we save it.
We saved. What is written there? We saved
The egg.
Good job.
The egg is hatching.
Good job. It's hatching.
Yeah. A baby. Eagle.
Good job.
A mummy eagle.
Okay.
Our work here is done.
Good job, Ammukutti. Love you.